am Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am here at Taste Tomorrow by Puratos, and I am catching up with Lisa Papaloni, Director of Strategy, Marketing, and Innovation for Aspire Bakeries. Hi, Lisa. Thanks so much for catching up with me.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm excited.
So this Taste Tomorrow by Puratos is incredible. We have talked about so many consumer insights, and I feel like a lot of them apply to some of the strategy and innovation that's going on at Aspire. What would you say are some of the key trends that we've learned about over these past 2 days that really resonate with what you're seeing your consumers ask for?
Yeah, there's been a ton of great information about new trends, consumer trends and their needs. Those that really resonated with us and that are really aligned to our Aspire innovation strategy would be this new notion of simplicity and consumers wanting to go back to simpler foods and simpler things and simpler offerings. And that's grounded in nostalgia, their need for nostalgia. So definitely a great match with our categories and trying to execute that need for simplicity with our foods. The other trend is the fusion of flavors, really sweet and savory. Our foods really lend themselves well to a combination of sweet and savory. And, if you think about the explosion of flavor in your mouth with a sweet and savory baked good, the possibilities are endless.
Absolutely.
One of the most interesting things I heard just today was this notion of mood food.
Yes.
And the connection, I thought that was really cool. The connection between our gut and our brain, and using foods to address our mental health issues.
Yeah.
We've seen an increase in mental health issues since the pandemic, and I just really thought this notion of mood food and using food to really address those mental health issues, really cool. It's just a much healthier approach. And then the last thing I'd say is this increase in the benefits of fermentation. And reducing the amount of sugar. Fermentation reduces the amount of sugar in food and gives you a healthier food. And pleasantly surprised was the interest in sourdough breads and sourdough foods as a healthy option, which is perfectly aligned to our La Brea foods, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So one thing that I heard this morning that I think would really resonate with Aspire and La Brea in particular is this idea that the future of bread is actually to go back, because sourdough is like centuries old, and it really is just going back to basics, and that is sort of the foundation for innovation. And I also love that sourdough is this pillar of healthy eating. I think that is so great for consumers and for our industry, don't you think?
Oh, absolutely. And we're well positioned to leverage that. Like you said, sourdough's been around forever. La Brea has a great history. And part of the innovation comes in educating our consumers on the benefits of sourdough. So we're well positioned to leverage that with consumers and helping educate them on the benefits of sourdough.
Awesome. Well, Lisa, thank you so much for catching up with me. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have.
I have. It's been great. It's been great. I've learned so much and excited to talk to you too.